Hey you guys, welcome back to K&KInspiredCreations with Latara. So today I'm going to show you guys how I made this really cute cupcake topper for my Valentine's Day tree. So I started off with some territorial beige paint that I got from Walmart. It's by the brand Apple Barrel. And I ended up painting the bottom of this galvanized cupcake piece that I found at Dollar Tree. I actually found it there last year. And so basically I just start off by painting the bottom of the cupcake brown because I wanted it to not have like the cupcake liner on it. I just wanted it to be the cake part of the cupcake. Like if you wanted to eat this cupcake, you didn't have to take the paper off of it. You can just eat it. That's what I wanted. So that's what I started off by doing. I started off by just painting both of them that territorial beige so that it was double-sided, just in case you could see on the other side of the tree. It wouldn't be blank. It would be the exact same on the other side. And of course, I'm just using my heat gun to go ahead and dry it faster. So I took one of these little foam discs. Oh, before I did the foam disc, I ended up going over the paint so that it didn't chip on that galvanized metal. I used some Mod Podge. The Mod Podge that I used was the glossy Mod Podge. You can use matte Mod Podge or any type of sealant if you want. But I ended up using the gloss Mod Podge just to seal it so that the paint didn't scratch off, rub off by you touching it, your nails, or even like the little bristles on the Christmas tree. So that's all I'm doing right now is I'm going ahead and doing both of these the exact same way. So now I took the little foam disc that you can get, I think it's like a 2-pack at Dollar Tree, and I'm going to put this, basically sandwich this between the both of them. So I'm just going to use a little bit of hot glue to get it to stick, which works perfectly, honestly. And then I'm going to sandwich the other side onto it as well, using that hot glue also. So now I am going to go ahead and start to decorate it. I'm going to use Spackle. So I'm just trying to find some bags that I can use. I have this white one that I use over and over again. With Spackle, you can actually reuse bags, piping bags. So I reuse the white ones all the time. So before doing that, to make it easier to spackle it, I went ahead and put this pole into the bottom of the foam disc. And this is basically how I was planning on getting this to stay on the tree. If that makes sense, I was just going to zip tie it to the very top of the tree. And I'll show you, or you can probably see it at the final reveal. So I decided to do some pink. So I'm just grabbing some spackle. This spackle right here is called One Time Lightweight Spackle. You can get it from any hardware store. This spackle is actually kind of dry. So I'm adding a lot of paint to it. You're going to see that I'm going to add some water to it. And the purpose of that is because it's so dry, it's not going to be easy to push through a piping bag. That's me adding the water. And normally I use this brand when I'm making ice cream, not when I'm making icing or some type of whipped topping. And this is going to be a whipped topping. So that's why I added a lot of paint, and I also added that water to get it the consistency that I want, that it holds the shape, but then it's also a little watered down a little bit, but not too thick. So I'm just adding it to the piping bag, and then I'll start piping. And I do want to take a second to thank you so much for watching my video. You can be anywhere else watching anybody else's video, but you're watching mine, and I'm so thankful and appreciative of it. I think I'm at 68 followers. My goal is to get, subscribers. And I'm trying to get to 100. So if you could help me out by sharing this video, liking this video, commenting on this video, it would help me out so much, and I would really be appreciative of it. And so this is right here where I am piping it. You can see that it's coming out smoothly, and that's because I added that little bit of water to that particular brand. Again, the one I like to use normally is called Fast and Final Lightweight Spackle. That's the best kind when you're doing something like this. So the top of it, I wanted to do like a little heart cookie that I made. I made a ton of heart cookies, some donuts, some all kinds of stuff like that, and I can also post that video if you would like to see how I made that. But I'm going to go ahead and put one on there at the very top. It came out Absolutely adorable. And so these are just some little pearls. I don't know where I got these from. I think they have them at Dollar Tree, honestly. And so I just put them on there. These are some red little flowers. To me, they look like little flower candies or like fake candies. I think you get these off of Amazon. And I want to say that I ended up putting one more thing on here. Oh yeah, I did some little sprinkles. So these are little red, white, and pink. You can't see them, but they're little tiny balls, little tiny sprinkles. They look really, really cute up close. I am going to finish it off with some glitter. I like the really, really fine glitter. It just makes everything look better. And that's it. So this is after it has dried on that one side, and I'm going to go ahead and spackle the other side. So this side, I actually put too much water in my spackle so that it could pipe out. It's a little too watery, so I don't usually use this side often. I don't show this side often because it doesn't look as good as the other side. But I am going to go ahead and add a cookie to this side as well, because like I said, if you're looking at the tree, you can see both sides sometimes, so I want it to look uniform. And I'm just adding those little red, white, and pink sprinkles all over it. I don't think I'm gonna do any pearls on this side because it's the back side. Okay, never mind, I lied. So I did do some pearls on this side as well. I guess I did want it to look very uniform. And then I'm going to go ahead and put those little red, I call them candies, but just little red flowers or roses on here as well. And so the last thing that I wanted to do is just cover up the fact that you can see that white foam on the tops and the sides. And I just used that same spackle just to go ahead and do that. And it came out great and I love it. And this will be my second year using this. People, anytime they come to my house and they see this topper, they think it's so pretty, but literally I just mainly use Dollar Tree products to make it. So this is the final reveal. Like I said, you can see all of the little sprinkles on there up close. I'm only going to show one side because like I said, the other side did not come out as well as I wanted it to. And this is how it looks on my Valentine's Day tree with the big bow. And this is the whole tree. A lot of these fake bakes I'm going to show you how I made in the upcoming weeks. But thanks again for watching. I hope you like it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm trying to get to 100 subscribers. And y'all have a great rest of y'all day.